Precision is key in cooking, and Electrolux SenseFry technology ensures consistent, reliable results every time. Let's take a closer look at how it works and what it can offer your consumers. SenseFry eliminates the guesswork from cooking by keeping the heat at the perfect level. Built-in sensors under the glass measure the pan's temperature in real time, making precise adjustments to ensure consistent heat across the surface while you cook. Activating SenseFry is simple. Place your pan on the back left SenseFry zone, turn on the cooktop and press the SenseFry icon to activate the function. Then select your desired cooking power level. Once the lights stop blinking and you hear the confirmation sound, SenseFry is ready to use. With SenseFry, creating perfectly golden fluffy pancakes or other culinary favourites is effortless, thanks to its precise heat distribution and temperature control. Achieving professional quality results has never been easier. SenseFry technology delivers precision, consistency and confidence and will take your cooking to the next level.